Hello everyone and happy Wednesday. Dear entomologists, today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Yesterday you learned about the life cycle of a bee. It is amazing how the bees in a hive work together during the stages of the life cycle. Today we will learn about the difference between bees and wasps. I also have a fun song to teach you called Baby Bumblebee. I hope you enjoy singing it to your family. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So now I want to take you to a video of me reading a book called Bee or Wasp.
Hello, I wanted to take a minute to read you this book called Bee or Wasp. Bees and wasps. Bees and wasps are both small insects. They fly with 2 pairs of wings. Many bees and wasps wear black and yellow stripes, but which is which? Different looks. Bees are covered in tiny hairs. Wasps look smooth and shiny. These insects have similar colors, but bees are dull, wasps are bright. Wasps have bodies that are thin in the middle. Bees have round bodies. Different lives. Bees collect nectar from plants. They turn it into honey. Wasps do not make honey. Female wasps can sting many times. Female bees can only sting once. Bees live in hives or nests. Wasps live in paper nests. Can you tell the difference? So here's a side-by-side. Dull colors, round body, tiny hairs. That's what makes a bee a bee. Smooth body, long thin body, and bright colors makes a wasp a wasp.
Now I have a video of me singing the song Baby Bumblebee.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a video to teach you a song. Some of you may know it, but some of you may not. So here we go. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It's stung me. I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up the baby bumblebee. Ooh, it's yucky. I'm wiping up the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping up the baby bumblebee. Now my mommy won't be mad at me. And that's the song. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you for tuning in to the morning message.